Hello, Actividad. I am Mayra Alexandra Sáenz Vadillo, study at a semi-years-old environment engineering. I had 26 years. I live in the municipality of Cesaria Huila. It is a small town, but very close. The mi part of my municipality is called Rafael Puyo Perdomo. It is a wide and beautiful place. It is a pleasant space because there are neurons that provide a free environment. Also, its structure is served for the nomination of events that can be to family recreation. We are cordially invited to enjoy this when the four parts. Thank you.